like this at all.
If I catch on fire, I'll be warm.
Solo cup, we're already on 4.
I wasn't listening. Let's get spiky.
Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
I mean, if you're just patient for a second, we'll have these things on. You don't have to like eye it up anymore. It's time.
I know, let's do it.
Before we get ahead of ourselves, we gotta take this old one off, right?
Yeah.
And, all right, let's do normal fashion here. Let's do a time check actually to start.
Not too bad tonight.
11:20 to start the video. And
here we are, 2 in the morning again, guys.
Solo cup, we're already on 4. So
just stop it.
What?
Maybe for you.
Oh yeah. Well,
actually, I might be too. But that's not the point, guys. The point is we're going solo cups on the job. Remember?
That's it. Solo cups on the job.
Solo cups on the job.
We have a front crash bar, and we got more for you guys tonight too.
Stick around.
Okay, so you're so busy making fun of me for having 4 solo cups already. What is the solo cup rating for the job then?
I'm gonna say 2.
2. Yeah, this should be famous last words. Relatively easy.
Should be. All right.
So I feel like this is kind of deja vu, because did we not just do this last week? Doesn't look good like that. Crash bar.
We did just do this.
Now, whose crash bar is better though?
Mine.
All right, let's let them vote down below. Whose crash bar is better?
Mine is so much better.
First of all, whose crash bar would be more effective in said crash? Side note, the whole system is completely, finally aired up correctly. Got all the 90s on now. There are no leaks. We did a little soapy water test.
Oh yeah.
She's holding air.
And those of you who don't know, this is a 2002 Road King. And this will be my Cholo, but it's now Road Queen, right?
Road Queen.
Road Queen.
East Coast style Cholo.
Yes.
I think they're a little different, or at least we're gonna say it is. Okay, so the last time this bike's been inspected was 2016. We picked this bike up as like a complete budget project, right?
Oh,
$4 grand.
Yes.
$4 grand we bought this. You guys can go back and see our old videos.
It's gonna come crashing down.
I got you, Tuts. I got you. Oh no, our freshly chromed forks.
Ah.
That one hurt.
It hurts so bad.
That one hurt a little bit. That one hurt a little
so
bit.
bad.
How do you think the people felt watching that?
Or hearing it. I promise, guys, there's no mark though.
Yeah, sure.
Where's my bubble wrap?
Yeah, we need the bubble wrap back. We promised the bike's going back together here. But we do have something really exciting coming up in approximately 1 month from now.
What is it?
We made our appointment to get this thing professionally dyno tuned.
We're doing it, guys. We're doing it.
By an amazing shop down in Westchester, New York called Prestige.
Yes. It's gonna take us like an hour to get there. But that's okay.
We got nothing but time.
Who wants it?
We have 2 of those actually now. 2 chromes, 1 black.
Oh God, guys. Oh.
All right, please be careful with this one.
Oh goodness. Cheers.
Cheers.
So let's get this.
There it goes. There it is. There it is.
Everything's so clanky. Hold on, you're going too fast here.
That's what she said.
So the important part with crash bars is a little bit at a time. We got a little ahead of ourselves here. She was so excited to get the damn thing on. We started some bolts here, and you guys are probably wondering what crash bar this is and who makes it.
We got this through rotation, so they don't only do wheels, but they can get you other parts as well. So this is actually Bad Dad is the one who makes these.
They sell a whole bunch of parts, not just wheels, guys. So check out their website because they are fully stocked.
Oh yeah, it's gonna look so insane with the wheel on.
Did you get matching rear ones? Or are we doing spiky in the front and rounded in the back?
What? Who would do that?
Is that the way we're leaving it?
No.
No?
No.
Not half spikies?
No, half spikies.
These are incredibly dangerous looking.
So dangerous.
Between your handlebars, your crash bars, I'm scared.
You should be scared.
Do you have your tools?
Yes, peasant. You
have,
set me up.
I did set you up properly. I see you wore your safety boots again.
It's my safety slippers. Get it
Safety
right.
slippers.
We got one good day of 50-degree weather, and then 2 seconds later it's snowing.
Snowing again. And now it's
we're
freezing.
We're freezing, and not only freezing, but we are back in the garage until 2 in the morning again.
I don't like this at all.
I'm gonna slam myself in the face. No.
Watch everything shiny. Please watch everything shiny. Guys, you can hear the concern in my voice. It's like, oh, your drink almost went down.
Not my drink.
Not my drink. So these are the factory 47s.
Bad Dad didn't have rear ones. Rear crash bars to match. So I had to search elsewhere. And these were like the closest ones that were gonna match. So I think they're pretty good. Most of them were like, if they had the spiky, it just went like kind of like straight out spiky. This has a kind of little bit of curve like the front does. So, but we will have to cut this a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna take a saw and just kind of cut it right about there. Cut it off because it will not. They said you're gonna have to do that anyway, so the holes will not line up unless we do that. So. We've officially got more bubble wrap.
We found bubble wrap.
It's perfect. All right, so we hacked off about 1 inch of that.
Yes.
That should be perfect. Just to slide this baby on through. And now we can line up our holes where we need to do it.
Holes.
To the average person, maybe that would be a little intimidating to do, right? That you'd have to cut your bag rail. But it's not really that big of a deal.
No.
It's not a big deal.
If you got a grinder, you're good.
Yeah, or even just a handsaw, you could do it. It just might take a little longer. And
a little longer, it'll probably take you like a day or two.
That's a difference. Look at that back over here. Just a big Bertha now.
Oh yeah. Spiky! It's spiky time.
Right. The bottom's a little hard to get, and you kind of like. I put a new grommet on there. Well, all right. So my first elbow strike on the crash bar. It's happened. The spike is.
Can you show what you did to my bike?
Yeah. All right. Hang on 1 second, guys. I need to show you this. While I'm walking around this bike because of the spikes, I've installed some protection. I'm so sick of nailing my back on that thing every single time I walk by it. Like, it's ridiculous. Now we have to watch out for all these spikes. Spike handlebars. At least your grips will not be spiked on the end.
They're not. They're a little spiked, but they're like a little. They're not so pointy.
No. Enough with the goddamn spikes. You better watch out when you're backing this thing up.
Oh God, I know.
You're gonna. That's a shin killer right there.
I'm gonna nail my shins.
You're gonna nail your pipes on the wall. You're gonna hit your shins on it.
So many bad things are gonna happen.
Goodbye, Chrome.
Did we agree on a word yet?
I thought it was crashed for drink.
I thought it was spiky.
Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do.
I think spiky's better.
Spiky's better?
Yeah.
Well, then these handlebars and these bars are spiky. Everybody drink. Where's mine?
I don't know. You lose your drinks all the time.
Hanging.
You need to keep track of your own drinks. I'm keeping track of mine.
Hey guys, just a quick break from the video. Discover the brilliance of Eagle lights. Elevate your ride with their advanced LED lighting solutions. Brighter, safer, and more stylish than ever. And here's the bonus. Use our code VP_customs for an exclusive 15% off your purchase. Illuminate your journey with Eagle lights today. Off the music.
I don't want to.
Back to heating yourself up.
Yeah, because you turned my big heater off.
Well, did you want us to catch on fire with the...
I don't care. Will I be warm? If I catch on fire, will I be warm?
You probably...
I'm
sure the whole house will be warm. All right, let's get this thing on.
All right.
We got the other side. We got to cut off again. Slide her in there. Bye-bye Power Commander soon. Jet. All right. Just noticed something. So the Carlini design bars have a little plate on it, and these have a little plate on it. That's pretty cool. That does good things for my OCD. These should have a little plate on it right there. Then everything would be good.
Then everything will be
I
home.
would like that.
Be like home.
Yeah.
Spiky.
Lots of spikies. It's looking pretty sick.
Drake.
Huh?
Drake.
Oh, damn it. I'm acting like that's a problem. That's not really a problem. It's good.
It's good. It's good.
Cheers. We need it. As we just discussed earlier, the piggyback tuner here is hitting the road. We'll be getting a professional dyno tune done. And it's just gonna be a baseline. Maybe what we can do, we'll ask Andy about this, if we should do a baseline of what the piggyback is doing right now at the beginning, and then he can do a tune at the end, obviously, to see what it did. You didn't listen to any of that.
I did. I think that's a great idea.
Before and after.
Yes. I wasn't listening. No.
Are you just checking my work, miss?
Yes. I'm the foreman over here sometimes.
Hopefully this is the last time this front wheel has to come off for a while. What do you think?
I don't want it to come off ever again.
It may have to come off again at some point in its life.
No. No more.
That's it. No more new tires, nothing. Just
That's it. So scrumptious. Time check.
what do we got here? Ooh, 1, 2, 3. 1:23 in the morning.
1, 2, 3.
So early.
At least it's not 2.
Yeah, we got so much time for activities left tonight.
That's what she said.
What activities? You want to go riding?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I've done burnouts in the snow. Another step closer.
Spiky.
Damn it!
I just stop saying because it's just so spiky.
God damn it!
What do you guys think? Spiky.
Damn it!
I can't even help it. I love that word, spiky. Alright.
I finished my drink now.
I got 2 questions for you guys.
2?
I got 2. Okay?
Don't overload them.
So, I'm going to overload them. My number 1, derby cover, right? I have this whole plan. But I'm having a hard time finding somebody that will do a chrome piece with black lettering kind of like this. Right? Most people don't want to do that. And the one person we reached out to is kind of flaking on us.
I guess it's a good way to put it.
Yeah, but if you guys know of anybody who will do the chrome with black engraving, that would be awesome. Let me know in the comments below because I need to get that done. Also, do you love my bags? What do you guys think about the classic just
Nice bags.
stock bags?
Yeah.
Or do we do stretched bags and then color match?
Which would be kind of hard to match this color since the color is obsolete.
I would love stretch bags, okay?
You would?
I would. I want stretch bags like nobody's business. But I also love the classic look. And then, you know, you run into color matching, which I'm sure would be fine.
Yeah, we can find somebody, but that color is obsolete. Harley doesn't have the paint code anymore.
So, I don't know what to do though.
You want my vote? My vote is keep the classic look, only because I like the way the chrome pipes look
Because
underneath.
you don't wanna spend the money.
It's not always about the money there, Tuts. It's about, I actually like
just kidding.
I like the way the
But-
chrome kind of comes underneath the pipes.
Well, that and it also helps show the wheel.
The back
Once-
wheel.
The wheel and the pipes, the exhaust. Because once you do stretched, It kind of like you start to cover things up.
Yeah.
Right? Cheers to all our new Patreon friends.
Enjoying our sneak peeks and ad-free videos.
We know you liked it.
Yes,
You
we're hearing
do.
all about it.
And as always,
Thanks for watching, guys.
stay tuned for the next